Hello and welcome to our VibVue tutorial series, where today we'll be walking you through the setup process and providing tips and tricks for a seamless acquisition of your VibVue video.
When establishing our workspace prior to setting up our equipment, it's important to keep in mind a few things. First, we should choose an area that is safe and ideally as stable as possible that offers a good view of our target. The next key to a successful acquisition is choosing the appropriate lens for our camera. Finding the right lens depends on the distance between your camera and the target and your desired field of view for your application. Choosing a smaller focal length lens will provide a wider field of view, good when we wish to capture more area relative to our distance from our target. Choosing a larger focal length lens provides a more zoomed in view, which may be necessary at times when there is a lot of distance between you and your target. Your VibVue Pro or Lite kit comes equipped with a set of 4 different size lenses, allowing you to choose the right field of view for each application. Once you've established your workspace, you can begin assembling your camera and laptop tripods. Remember to place the vibration reduction pads under the camera tripod to prevent residual vibrations from being transferred to the camera. Prepare the tripod mount and then slide the VibVue camera into place, making sure that it is fastened securely. If you're working in an outdoor or sunny environment, you may wish to install the laptop sunscreen included in your kit. Secure your laptop tray onto the laptop tripod. Now, slide the screen of your laptop through the harness and secure it to the tray. You can now connect your VibVue camera to the laptop using your USB to camera link cable. To make sure we chose the appropriate lens size, we should open the VibVue application to preview our video scene. To do this, we could either go to Project, Cameras, and select our camera, or select the camera on the bottom of the Explorer panel. With our camera preview open, we can now adjust our camera position and lens to ensure our target looks and fits nicely in frame. Now, we'll take a look at the Quick tab of our camera settings. Here, we'll enter our max frequency, which determines our frequency detection range. Once we set our max frequency, we'll need to adjust our video brightness. In order to get the best video and measurement data possible, we want to have good contrast between our light and dark areas of our target. Especially at higher frequencies, you may notice that your scene looks too dark even when the lens aperture is fully open. Included in your VibVue kit is a battery-powered, flicker-reducing LED light and stand. Now we can set up our light and power it on to provide the extra light we need for our scene. Pro tip: using the image probe tool, we can check pixel intensities for the light and dark areas of our target. We want our bright areas to be close to, but not quite at, a value of 100. For dark areas, we want the number to be close to, but not quite at, 0. Dialing in good contrast ratios is good practice, but not always possible in some cases. When lighting is scarce, we can increase our video gain setting by going to the Advanced tab and increasing the gain, but save this as a last resort and use other available light sources when possible. We recommend a video duration of at least 5 seconds. Now we'll use our laser distance meter included in our kit to measure the distance between our camera and our target. Then we'll enter our measurement in inches into our distance field. For focal length, we'll select the lens size that we have attached to our camera. Lastly, before we record our video, we can enable the new Auto Analyze feature. With this selected, VibVue will automatically select regions and frequencies of interest for us, giving us a head start as we move into the analysis phase of our VibVue project. Speaking of analysis, we'll have more tutorial videos like this one coming soon to help you become an expert at using your VibVue motion magnification kit and software.